Here we have Darching Electric Industrial Company's 1500 kVA semi-automatic grating welding machine. This welder, with its uniquely designed transformer system, will bring you highly efficient, heavy-duty welding that is uniform, energy-saving, and of an extremely high quality. This huge machine comes with a pneumatic automatic loader that accurately positions twisted rods onto the grating bearing bars, saving man-hours and increasing safety. The 1500 kVA has an extremely sturdy frame for highly precise projection welding. The heat-treated cast iron head is supported by 4 heavy-duty steel columns, while a powerful hydraulic transmission system provides highly stable vertical movement. The feature that truly sets the 1500 kVA apart from other grating welders is its transformer system. This Darching design system has 3 transformers which work together, making for extremely even, efficient and powerful 3-phase transforming of the welding current. Each transformer has a unique horseshoe-shaped silicon steel core design which completely seals in the power, making it far more efficient and energy-saving than the bar-shaped design of competing products. The secondary coil is made of ultra-smooth die-casted copper tubing for optimum performance, and rectifying diodes ensure highly uniform and repeatable precision welding. Preventing transformer overheating is vital to welding performance, and the 1500 kVA does this exceptionally well. Both the electrode and secondary coils are water-cooled, and the diodes receive constant cooling from the standard onboard chiller. Finally, a built-in fan eliminates condensation moisture, maintaining the safety of the system. In most welders of this type, the electrode often needs to be replaced due to erosion at the welding points. On this welder, however, the electrode's position can be adjusted when erosion occurs, significantly increasing electrode life. The 1500 kVA offers highly consistent and rapid 3-phase workpiece projection welding. Each transformer boasts 20 projections at a single stroke, and the machine takes 6 to 8 minutes to complete a full 1x6 meter grating. The Miyachi controller provides primary and secondary current feedback control and primary voltage fluctuation compensation control for reliable welds. You also get simultaneous viewing of all weld data from the user-friendly panel. Movement of the grating along the work table is driven by a Mitsubishi PLC-controlled servo motor for highly accurate stopping. Then once the workpiece reaches the offload point, inverter-driven rollers take over, seamlessly moving the workpiece into the cutting position. Finally, our grating meets the cutter, which is equipped with a high-speed steel blade, ball screw and linear guideways for fast, clean and stable cutting. Darching has put all its experience and expertise into creating the 1500 kVA. Its unique transformer designs bring superb quality welds, and its fully integrated system offers gratings that are durable and even with highly accurate dimensions.